Hi students, in this video we are going to look into the most important topic of series and sequence portion. So you only need to study what I am going to say here, okay? Because that will be only asked in the examination and you need only these topics to get full marks for the series and sequence section. So to find the nth term of an AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Number of terms in a series can be found out using the formula an minus a1 divided by d plus 1, where an is the nth term of the sequence and a1 is the first term of the sequence and d is the common difference. Plus 1 will give the number of terms in a series. If A, B, C are in AP, then B is equal to A plus C by 2, which is also called the arithmetic mean. So this is the formula. You have to only study these things which I am telling, and you can solve all the problems from any topic from the series portion. Sum of terms in an AP can be found out using the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Here n means the number of terms, a is the first term, n is the total number of terms, and d is the common difference. Okay, so here also it is like that. If the first term and the last term is given, this is how you can find the sum. This is a much more easier method. So if you're luckier, you will be getting like that. Now coming to the section of GP. So for studying GP, if the terms are like A, AR, AR square, AR cube, etc. up to AR raised to n, then the nth term can be found out using an is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. So that's how you will find out the nth term of the sequence. Please learn this. This is a very important. Either you can note it down on your paper or take screenshot as you wish. So how do you find the sum of first m terms of a GP? The formula is Sn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 divided by R minus 1, where R is called the common ratio and n is the number of terms. So I have missed to say that here. Here A are the terms and R is called the common ratio. That is how a GP goes on, and at last A R raised to n. That's how regarding GP. So if the value of R is greater than 1, that is R minus 1, that is it is subtracted from R. R is the first term written here and 1 is the second term written here, which implies that R is greater than 1. So that is the condition you have to study here. Then if the value of R, common ratio, is less than 1, this is the formula you have to apply. Okay, so that will definitely help you. Hope you will study this. Then sum of infinite terms of a GP. If a GP goes on like and etc. up to it tends to an infinite value. If it is like that, you can use this formula to find out. S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R, and the value of R will be always less than 1. That is how infinite terms vary. Then the next you have to study for this series are these formulas regarding the different type of numbers. You can see 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 etc. up to n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So up to these 10 formulas you have to study by heart. Either take the screenshot or write it on a paper by pausing the video. So that is how this formula will help you. Then you can see if it is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 etc. up to 2n minus 1, which is equal to n square. So which is equal to last number plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. Then 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2n. So that is equal to n into n plus 1. So the total sum, if the n terms from the numbers are given, it is n into n plus 1. Yes, listen here, you can only apply this formula if the pattern follows. if any of the number is missing from the given series, either you can use this formula and subtract or add the specific number such that you will get the correct answer. That's how to do in problems. Then 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. up to n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Divided by 6. So this is a very important formula. You may need this in several computation for cancellation of terms. If the numbers are given in the square terms, you may either write this formula and cancel each other terms such that you can do it. Then 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus etc. plus 2n minus 1 the whole square equal to n into 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 3. Like that, you have to study all these formulas. Look at the sixth one. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. up to n cube. If it's the sum of all cubes, then the formula equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. And if it is 1 by 2 raised to 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube etc. up to 1 by 2 raised to n, and the sum is 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to n. So these three formulas 5, 6 and 7, these are very important. It will help you in one way or another for every examinations in this series part. In the upcoming video, I will be dealing with some important questions from this series portion. So make sure to subscribe and like this video and share this video with your friends who are preparing for examinations. So I hope you got this formula and all. We will see in the upcoming chapter. Okay, thank you.